Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box unboxing. This is a subscription of sorts. They send it out quarterly. It's only $5, which covers the shipping. And you fill out a profile and then you could get a different box based on that. I think I get the Trendsetter box and I've been getting this for a couple years now. This looks very plain compared to what it normally looks like. There's normally at least like tissue paper, some other stuff in here. It looks kind of underwhelming when you open it, but I think for $5 it's a good deal. So they did give us a little card this time, some more information about the products, and I wonder if the stuff I didn't get, like the sheet mask, or what was in the other boxes, but interesting. So the first product is Batiste Dry Shampoo. It's always nice to have. Also received Tea Time White Tea Cleanser, firming, anti-aging, and pore refining. And the brand is Earth to Skin. I've never heard of that, but I can always use face cleaner, so definitely excited to try that. Also have a sample of Gold Bond. I love their lotion. It's like my favorite. I have really dry skin, and this always like feels the best on it, so very nice. Also have from Nyx Butter Gloss. That's what it says. I could tell if this is the shade Apple Crisp, it would not be a shade I would wear, but I could definitely give that to someone else. And the last item in here is by Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Moisture Cream for Sensitive Skin. I definitely have sensitive skin, so check it out. Oh, it's sealed. I want to smell it. I wanted to smell it to see if it actually smelled like rose water, and it does. I love that smell. Which is funny because I always say that I hate floral scents, but rose water smells good to me because it's not too potent. So that's what I got for $5. Just a bunch of samples. Sometimes you get like razors and, you know, full-size items, so I overall think it's a good deal. And if you want to join, I'll put all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.